How to make an appointment private on Outlook calendar. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make an appointment private onto your calendar or your Outlook calendar. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. Head over outlook.com or outlook.live.com. This is for the website version, and if you have a desktop version this is going to be a little bit easier. So you're going to head over your account or your app and it is going to connect normally automatically with your credentials as memorized, and you're going to find everything here. Now we're going to find the calendar. Basically on the calendar we're going to select one of the calendars that we have here. So I can go ahead and click on the one of the calendars that we have, or the meeting, for example. I choose this. I click on edit. I do not want this to be something that all the persons that shares my calendar to see it. So I want to make it private. The option for the new versions of Outlook is going to be here on this search bar. If you do not find it here, you can go ahead and have more options. But as you can see, we can go ahead and make it private. This is going to be private. So as you can see, this is going to be private. So normally you're going to save the changement. You're going to, if you have some space, you're going to see the lock here. And you only with your account and your presence will be able to see it. That was pretty much it for today's video. You can do ahead basically that for every calendar that you are going to create or modify. You have only the button private. Make it private just like that. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.